Bronchitis, sometimes referred to as a chest cold, occurs when the airways in your lungs are inflamed and make too much mucus. There are two basic types of bronchitis. Acute bronchitis is more common and usually is caused by a viral infection. Acute bronchitis may also be called a chest cold episodes of acute bronchitis can be related to and made worse by smoking. This type of bronchitis is often described as being worse than a regular cold but not as bad as pneumonia. Chronic bronchitis is a cough that persists for 2 to 3 months each year for at least 2 years. Smoking is the most common cause of chronic bronchitis. A cough of bronchitis is manifested with persistent dry or wet cough and usually lasts from several days to 3 weeks. It can affect both adults and young regardless of their age. We will present you an incredible remedy which is not only completely natural but it's extremely effective. Just follow the instruction recipe. Needed ingredient: 250 milliliters milk, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 egg yolk. Direction: first you should boil the milk and let it cool for a while. Add the butter and honey and make sure to stir well. Then add the baking soda and the egg yolk and stir well. Again, your remedy is ready. To take this remedy for 5 days before going to bed in order to get the best result. Excellent natural remedy for expelling phlegm. Needed ingredient: 2 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons water. Mix all the ingredients and consume the remedy 2 times a day, half in the morning and half in the evening. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel Knowledge World.